Hey everyone, if you want to install Vivaldi Browser on Windows in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you the full step-by-step installation process from download to first setup. Before we start, make sure you're using a Windows 10 or Windows 11 system. And you have an active internet connection to download the installer. First, open any browser and go to vivaldi.com/download. Now click the Windows 64-bit download button. This will download the Vivaldi installer file. Once the file is downloaded, open it. The setup wizard will appear automatically. Click Install to begin. You can also change installation location if needed, but default settings are recommended. Now wait for the installation to complete. It usually takes less than a minute depending on your system. After installation, Vivaldi will launch automatically. If not, you can open it from the Start menu. Now you'll see the welcome screen. Here you can choose theme, layout, and import bookmarks from other browsers. You can also sign in to Vivaldi Sync to save bookmarks, history, and settings across devices. For easy access, you can pin Vivaldi to your taskbar or Start menu. A common mistake is downloading Vivaldi from third-party websites. Always use the official website to stay safe. For the best experience, enable updates so you always get the latest security and performance improvements. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to install Vivaldi Browser on Windows in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.